Why is my corn 12 feet tall? Hello everybody, welcome to Seven Sammy's Garden. So today it's just a matter of a question. Maybe somebody might know, but I just want to show you guys I just want to know why my corn, whenever I plant corn, it grows so tall before it produces. No matter what I do, it goes like 10 feet, 12 feet before I'm able to harvest it. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see, the corn that I have, I've planted so many different varieties of corn, but whenever I plant it here, they go like crazy tall. I don't know if the nutrients that I have in the garden is so good for the corn. I don't know, but it goes like this. This one is like see, this one's like 12 feet up. This is like 12 feet right here, and it grows so tall, and all of them are like that. You can see the whole garden. I planted 3 different varieties of corn from 3 different locations and 3 different people. So it's surprising to me that every year is the same thing. Whenever I plant corn, it grows tall. No matter the variety that I put in, it grows tall, and they start producing after about 10 feet. So I don't know if anybody knows the reason why. Please let me know in the comments below. Just trying to find out. The only problem I have with it is that when it's tall like this, any wind blows, it breaks or it falls apart, and finally you're not able to get a lot of production from it because of the wind and everything. So right now it's okay. I haven't had any issues with them, but it is every year is the same thing. I don't know if the nutrient that I have in the garden is so good for them that they just keep growing. And you can see the stem. The stems are very big stems right here, and you just go up like that. Like I said, all of them are like that. Let me just go inside. All of them are like that, 10 feet, 12 feet high. You can see this is my tomato cage. My tomato cage is like 8-9 feet. But you can see they are like, I haven't measured it, but I'm saying they should be like 12 feet high on average. The only ones that have not gotten to that yet is this one right here. These ones on this row right here, they're still growing. They're still tiny. They're still growing, but I think they're gonna get there. You can see all of them standing underneath the corn. Is like I'm standing underneath trees, and it's so big and so tall. I don't know what's going on. So hey, if anybody knows, have had any similar situations, let me know in the comments below. I'm thinking that maybe it's I do warm compost, and I do compost tea, but I haven't done that many this year to I don't know if maybe it's just the concentration of the nutrients that I have in the garden that is making it so tall. And I made a video like 3-4 years ago talking about the same thing. I didn't get any response, so I'm hoping that maybe somebody might be able to tell me what's going on with it. That every time I plant, no matter the variety of corn I plant, they go to 10 feet high. Okay, so it was just a quick video to find out if anybody has had similar situations, and also to see if somebody has had it and what did they do, or what was the reason for it. But so far they're okay. But if we have serious winds, all of them are gonna come down because they are very, very high up there compared to what usually most corns that they grow to this level. So overall the garden's okay. It's coming along. Other stuff is doing okay, but hopefully we're gonna be able to, we don't have serious winds and serious that's gonna bring down the corn. But you can see the corn is really towering over the rest of the stuff in the garden. And you can see, look at the tree that I have. Look at the tree that we have right here. You can see it's almost close to the tree level. So okay, thanks everybody for watching. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you know, if you have had similar situations, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to know what's going on. Maybe my soil is too rich for corn, and it makes them go bonkers like this. But okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody.